Hi guys, quick chat before we start the video. So we basically joined a 3D modeling competition in September and we are sorry for uploading it late since my partner was busy with school stuff. So he was busy to edit the extended vid. So about this competition, we basically just barely finished this product. We joined the competition late and we have problems coming out with an idea inventing a new product. First, we were trying to make a maglev kind of train which uses the concept of electromagnetic forces between superconducting magnets on board the vehicle and coils on the ground, but it failed miserably. For the second product, it's similar with the maglev where we combine Lego sets and magnets together while designing the train and using 3D printer to print it. And it failed due to the total pricing of the magnets and the parts required to print. Third idea was a multi-level car parks and it didn't turn out great. And finally the end product. Enjoy the vid.
Hi everyone, we are the 4 from SMJK Porte, and for this 3D printing and modeling competition, we are picking 11.2, which is the old and worn out public transportation, as our goal to make our project possible. Our project name is called Floating People Mover. I know it sounds weird, but it's something special. So in this video, we are going to talk about the issue and description, solution, idea explanation, impact and the outcomes, designing, modeling, process, and finally a close-up view of our project. And before we jump into the product, let us introduce ourselves and what we did to contribute to the group.
Hi, I'm Jian. I'm the group leader and I'm responsible for designing the concept model.
Hi, I'm Eric and I'm responsible for the product modeling.
I'm Mook and I'm responsible for printing most of the parts using Ender 3.
I'm Chen Lun and I'm responsible for product assembly and resource management.
So now let us begin.
The related issue is regarding old and worn out public transportation. The increasing need to move around freely daily has disadvantaged many vulnerable people, especially those with caretakers, which causes a heavier burden for everyone.
So our solution is a people mover, also known as a human mover. It's powered by conveyor belts, which makes them versatile and readily available as they can be built on top of existing sidewalks and used by people. It can also move multiple people simultaneously, which means less waiting times.
So, the impact and outcomes of this project. So what we wish to achieve from this project is to build a more inclusive society by ensuring the welfare of all of its inhabitants. By solving the unsolvable, which is guaranteeing the right to movement for everyone. And ideally, we would like to make this process hassle-free, time-efficient, and mass scale, which is the reason that is why we came up with this specific design, is to ensure that all of those in need in urban areas can go to where they need, and using the right technology and the right design, they could go to wherever they want as using the most efficient speed as fast as possible.
We sketched the concept by using math and physics as well as redesigning and further improving the concept to fix errors and increase functionality.
We use Tinkercad as our software of choice and we apply skills such as merging, shape holes, and multiple shapes interactions.
This project didn't come with its fair share of problems though. We struggled to come up with a feasible idea, which meant we had limited time, building 3D models were difficult, printing times were long, and concepts have to be rebuilt many times.
So even though a lot of compromises had been done, we still applied maths and physics while shrinking the size of the product just to prevent model rebuilding and the lack of time printing.
We are proud to participate in this competition and will do it again. We learned not just 3D modeling skills but how to make things work together. The process was fun and interesting. In the end, we're happy with what we made and I'm glad to complete it in time. Lastly, we are thankful to our advisory teacher Mr. Adriel for sacrificing his precious time and resources in this project.